Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on Android in 2025. So first, open up the Play Store. If you're on iOS, open the App Store and then type in Minecraft. You'll see the options there, but they're paid. You have to buy it, and that's just the starter pack. So how do we get it for free? Go to Google and type Google Opinion Rewards. Look for the blue trophy icon. That's the one. So this app is on Android devices only. Install it. So here's what it does. It's a loyalty program by Google. It started as a survey app where you answer quick questions and earn rewards. So with those rewards, one of the things you can get is a free version of Minecraft. So install it, answer the surveys, and that's your way to get Minecraft for free. So this is helpful because you don't have to pay upfront, and it's simple. Just use the app, do the surveys, and use the rewards. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And goodbye for now.